Students, there are some examples which doesn't contain common name, only IUPAC name. So कुछ ऐसे भी कंपाउंड है जहां पर कॉमन नेमिंग पॉसिबल नहीं है लेकिन IUPAC नेम पॉसिबल है. तो let's see some examples, students. Suppose I have a compound like CH3, then CH3, again CHOH, CH3, CH2, CH3. तो बच्चों अगर ब्रांचेस कुछ एक या दो से ज्यादा हो गई, इस केसेस में कॉमन नेम नहीं बनता, सिर्फ IUPAC नेम बनता है. सो इस कंपाउंड का मुझे IUPAC नेम लिखना है. सो सेम सिस्टम फॉलो करना है जो अभी मैंने किया था. सो फर्स्ट
we have to follow from left hand side.
Yeah, select the longest chain of carbon atom. So this is the longest chain of carbon atom. After selecting the longest chain, just number it. So just now you said that you have to number it from the left hand side. So let us number it 1, 2, and this is third carbon, 4, then 5, then 6. Okay? You can try if you want.
So it is having left hand side means 2.
First you need to write prefix. That prefix are alkyl group. After that you have to write parent. And then last you need to write suffix. Start.
So it is having 2, comma 4.
4, very good.
Yeah, 2,4 dimethyl.
Exactly, dimethyl.
2,4 dimethyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a hexane.
Yeah. Hexane.
3 all.
3 all. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is all about the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound. Student, there is no any common name. Okay. So that is all about nomenclature of alcohol. तो यहाँ पर हमने alcohol के names जो है वो complete किए. Do you want some more example to practice?
Sir, one more example.
Okay, fine. So let's take one more example.
And sir, give 4-5 examples for homework.
Exactly. So first of all, I'm giving you one example to practice, and there are so many examples you can try in homework. चलो कुछ एग्जाम्पल हम यहाँ और प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. Suppose I have a structure like CH3, CH, then CH3, CH, then C2H5, CH, OH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Start. How do you name this one?
So this will be we are going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, since longest chain is in the middle, but we have to number it from the right hand side.
Number it from the right hand side here.
Yeah. Am I true, sir? Because
from
this
here
is
also it is 1, 2, 3, 4. But from here you are also getting the branches.
okay.
So this should be the correct priority of numbering.
Okay.
So you have to number it from left hand side. 3, this is 4, and 5, 6, 7. Now you can try them.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to answer this.
Yes.
This is 3-ethyl.
Exactly. This is 3-ethyl.
2-methyl.
3-ethyl, then
2-methyl.
Methyl.
It is 7. So this is on fourth. Correct. So
3-ethyl.
then 4.
Heptane.
It is 7. Na? So heptane 4.
Yeah, you can also call 4-heptanol.
4-heptanol. Na?
You can also write
4-heptanol.
Heptanol. Or you can write in between.
Can we write down, sir? Heptane 4-all.
Heptane 4-all can also be
Yeah.
written. No issue.
Yeah.
Okay. So these can be the IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll start with the next example of functional group. So after alcohol, we'll start with the nomenclature of aldehydes. Okay. So students, hopefully you understood the.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have understood.
Let's start with the nomenclature of aldehydes. Okay. So students, to name aldehydes, same we have to use a different suffix. Okay. So let's start with the nomenclature of aldehyde. In case of aldehyde, suffix al is used. Suffix al is used. In alcohol, what we have used? In alcohol, what we have used?
Sir, alcohol we have used OL.
In aldehyde, you have to use suffix al. Means the name is going to become alkane. This E will be replaced by alkane का E हम निकाल के क्या लगाएंगे? A. So name is going to become alkane.
Okay.
Got it? So
Okay.
let's take some examples, students. Let's take some example. So similarly, I will make 3 columns. First column I write the compound. In second column I write their IUPAC name with suffix al, and in third column we'll write their
Common name.
Okay, so first example. Let's take first member of homologous series of aldehyde. This is first member of aldehyde containing only 1 carbon. In case of aldehyde, this is first member. Now let's take second also with 2 carbon. Let's take one more example with 3 carbon. Okay, so we can write the IUPAC name first of all. There is only 1 carbon. So what should be the name of this compound? This is methane. Methane का E निकाल के हमें क्या लगाना है? Instead of this E, what I can write?
Al.
This has a IUPAC name methanol. This compound has a IUPAC name methanol. Okay. Methanol is IUPAC name. And this compound has similarly IUPAC name will be what? I can write the IUPAC name of this compound. I can write IUPAC
Ethanol.
Exactly. Ethane. Similarly, this compound has an IUPAC name.
Propane.
Student, I am not numbering aldehyde group because I know aldehyde group always existed. First carbon, terminal carbon. ये बीच में आएगा नहीं. Second carbon या third carbon पर यह आ नहीं सकता. तो इसे हम 1 अल लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि 2 अल 3 अल पॉसिबल नहीं है. Now, common name of this compound is based on their origin. कुछ scientific reason है इसके common name के. So student, first compound forma and Latin में and को forma कहते हैं. तो forma से जो एसिड निकलता था उसको formic acid बोलते थे और उससे जो एल्डिहाइड बनता है उसे हम फॉर्मल्डिहाइड कहते हैं. सो इस कंपाउंड का कॉमन नेम है फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. ओके, फॉर्मल्डिहाइड नेम इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम फॉर्मिक एसिड जो कि फॉर्मा से निकलता है. फॉर्मा मींस एंड इन लैटिन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट कंपाउंड का कॉमन नेम है फॉर्मल्डिहाइड. फॉर्मल्डिहाइड is the name of aldehyde which contain only 1 carbon. Important है, आपको याद रखना. MCQs they can ask formaldehyde. Next, if there are 2 carbon, there is also scientific name. So 2 carbon, mostly इनका जो common name आया है वो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड के नेम से डिराइव हुआ है. अगर 2 कार्बन वाले कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड होते तो हम उसे एसिटिक एसिड कहते हैं जो कि एसिटम से निकलता है. लैटिन में एसिटम का मतलब विनेगर. सो विनेगर से जो एसिड निकलता है उसे एसिटिक एसिड कहते हैं. विनेगर को एसिटम भी कहते हैं, इसके लिए उसका नाम एसिटिक एसिड पड़ा. अब ये एसिड तो है नहीं, दिस इज एल्डिहाइड. सो दिस कंपाउंड कैन आल्सो बी कॉल्ड एज
acetaldehyde.
acetaldehyde. Exactly. So I can call it as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Similarly, there are 3 carbon. So this can be obtained from fat found in plant and animal body. First fat found in plant and animal body, that is propion. Propionic acid. तो इसका कॉमन नेम क्या बनना चाहिए? ये एसिड तो है नहीं.
Propaldehyde.
Propionaldehyde.
Propionaldehyde.
Propion is a fat found in plants and animal body. So this can called as propion aldehyde. बट आपके 10th स्टैंडर्ड के सिलेबस में आप ये दोनों याद रखो, इनफ है। इतने कॉमन नेम्स आपको याद रखने की जरूरत है नहीं, ओनली फर्स्ट टू यू रिमेंबर, दिस टू आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो फॉर्मल्डिहाइड और एसिटल्डिहाइड याद रखो, वैसे तो आगे और भी होते हैं, 4 कार्बन ब्यूटरल्डिहाइड, ब्यूटरिक एसिड, बटर से जो ऑब्टेन होता है ब्यूटरिक एसिड, 5 कार्बन वेनिला से ऑब्टेन होता है वेलेरिक एसिड, उससे बनता है वेलेरिडिहाइड। सो ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल बन सकते हैं, बट आपको कुछ हार्डली 2-3 याद रख लो, इनफ है। कॉमन नेम्स आर नॉट दैट मच रिक्वायर्ड इन केस ऑफ एल्डिहाइड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो अब हम इनके कुछ और IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर ट्राई करते हैं। नाउ लेट्स टेक सम मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ एल्डिहाइड। ओके, सो कैन आई रीड दिस पार्ट?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose I have taken a compound like this, CH3, CH3, CH, C2H5, CH2, C, double bond O, H. If I want to write the IUPAC name of this compound, then very simple, select the longest chain of carbon, number the carbon chain from aldehyde, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4.
That means, sir, for aldehyde, it will be always from the right hand side.
It is not always from the right hand side.
Because it is from the terminal, na sir?
It can also be like this. Terminal, we can consider this
Okay, left hand side also. Okay.
So it is not always at right hand side. Let's select this example also. Okay, so terminal means it can be, terminal can be right or it can also be on the left. So let's name this compound, students. So I can write first of all same. First we have to write prefix. Okay.
Now here the prefix is 3-ethyl.
Exactly.
4.
In case of ethyl and methyl, first ethyl is written.
Because E is first. Na?
Alphabetically it will come first. So it will be
3-ethyl.
exactly 3-ethyl, then
4-methyl.
4-methyl, correct.
4-methyl. It is
Ethyl, 4-methyl, pentane, al. Okay, so it is pentanal. Pentanal. So this is the correct IUPAC name, 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, pentanal. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now let's try this also.
So here we are numbering from the right hand side.
Exactly, you can number it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So name this compound.
Now here it is having 2-methyl, 4-methyl. So it will be 2,4
exactly.
dimethyl.
2,4.
It will be 2,4 dimethyl.
2,4 dimethyl.
Hexane. Yeah, hexanal.
Correct. So
2,4 dimethyl hexanal.
Got it?
Yes,
this
sir.
will be the name of aldehyde, first compound, and this is the got
Yes,
it?
sir.
So
Yes,
that
sir.
was all about the nomenclature of aldehyde. After that, we'll start with nomenclature of carboxylic acid.
Thank you, sir.